Friends, welcome back. I Dr. Dinesh welcomes you all. In this video we will discuss about the UGC approved journal, Scopus Index journal in the different subjects. So see the video until the last. Maybe possible you will get the journal that you are looking for. So friends, first journal name is International Journal of Electronics Customer Relationship Management. This journal also published in the Scopus category, and this journal published in both categories, file like print version and online version, and this journal published 4 issues per year, and site score is the 1.7. This section will provide the journal description, journal information, what about the journals, and if you are looking for the topics and titles, so you can see here so many topics and titles are given here. So if your research area match with this particular topic and title, अगर आपका research area इन सभी topics से match कर रहा है, that this journal is suitable to publish your research paper in this quality index journal. Now about the publishing fees, so here in this section you will find out the publication fees, and so many details are also given here. So as you can see here, there are the no publication charges, means you can publish your research paper freely, and if your research paper is ready, then using this link you can submit your research paper. So submit here, so just click on this, so it will be redirected to the submission page. तो आप submission page पर पहुंच जाएंगे, आप वहां पर अपना पेपर को इजीली सबमिट कर सकते हैं. So this is all about this journal, and most important thing about this journal, indexing. So indexing is the very most important thing. So this journal related to the Scopus category and also the many more indexing. So as you can see here, this journal belongs to the Scopus category and also the UGC care listed journal. So this is a golden opportunity to publish your research paper in this Science journal. Second journal name is the International Journal of Nuclear Law. So if your research area comes under the category of the law, so you can publish your research paper in this particular journal. This journal also published in both category, print version and online version, and this journal published 4 issues per year. And in this section you will have the information about the journal description. Journal की सारी information आपको इस particular section में मिलेगी. That is a very important thing to all of you. And topics and titles, so you can see here all the topics and titles are given here. So read each and every topics. If your research area match with this particular topic, you can publish your research paper. Most important thing about the indexing, so in this section you will have the so many indexing part, and you can see here, so all the indexing part are given here. So if your research area match with this criteria, then you can submit your research paper to the publication. Next category of the journal, International Journal of the Power Trains. So as its name indicating, it is this journal related to the power trains or electronics category and design and hybrid power trains. So like this energy research area. So if your research area comes under this particular topics and title, you can submit your research paper. अगर आपका research area इन सभी topics से match करता है, then you can submit your research paper for the publication. For the journal publication fees, so you can see here there are the no publication charges. So it's up to you कि आप किस टाइप के जर्नल में पब्लिश करना चाहते हैं. अगर आप स्कोपस एंड ऑल्सो अगर आप ओपन एक्सेस कैटेगरी जा रहे हैं, तो इट्स अप टू यू कि आप उसको कैसे पब्लिश करना चाहते हैं. बट देर आर द नो पब्लिकेशन फीस फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर इंडेक्सिंग. सो दिस जर्नल रिलेटेड टू द स्कोपस कैटेगरी एंड ऑल्सो द UGC केयर लिस्टेड. अगर आपको पुराने प्रीवियस पेपर अगर आपको देखने हैं कि कौन कौन से इसमें रिसर्च आर्टिकल ऑलरेडी पब्लिश्ड हो चुके हैं, या यूज दिस पर्टिकुलर टैब, सो जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस, यू कैन सी अबाउट द पब्लिश्ड पेपर. नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी ऑफ द जर्नल इज द इंटरनेशनल जर्नल ऑफ द रिलायबिलिटी एंड सेफ्टी. दिस जर्नल पर आल्सो पब्लिश्ड इन दिस बोथ कैटेगरी, प्रिंट वर्जन एंड ऑनलाइन वर्जन. ISSN number is given here, and publication time you can see here 4 issues per year. This journal published 4 issues per year. And about the journal description and introduction, in this section you will have all the detailed information. Topic and title also given here. So match your research area with this topic. अगर आपका research area इन सभी topics से match करता है, you can publish your research paper in this quality index journal. And related to the indexing, so this journal related to the Scopus category and also the UGC listed journal. Next category of the Inter Science publisher is the International Journal of Project Organization and Management. This journal also published in both category, print version and online version, and also publish 4 issues per year. And this section will provide the information about the journal description and journal information. And here you can see the develop research articles and what types of the research paper can be published. So here you can find out all the topics and title. अगर आपका research area match with this particular topics and title, then you can submit your research paper for the publication. So this journal related to the Scopus category indexing and also the UGC listed journals and many more indexing. If your research area comes under these topics and title, you can go through this journal. So friends, if you are looking for the journals, join us and ping me through the WhatsApp group, and also you can see the WhatsApp link in the description. So join us and thank you for watching this video. अगर आपको कोई इश्यूज आ रहा है जर्नल को फाइंड आउट करने में, अप्रोप्रिएट जर्नल को फाइंड आउट करने में, just ping me through the WhatsApp. Thank you friends for watching this video.